All right, here we go. Our high frequency word lesson number 33. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? He gave half of the apple to his friend. Our first word is half. Half means part of. I get part of it, you get part of it. Half. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? Ouch, I stubbed my toe. Our second word is toe. This kind of toe is your body part that is on your foot. Our third sentence, let's read it. Ready? She is 8 years old. Our third word is 8. This kind of 8 is the number, not what I do to food. So this is the number 8. All right, let's go to review our words. Here we go. We're going to say it, spell it, say it. Half, H-A-L-F, half. Toe, T-O-E, toe. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Whose, W-H-O''S, whose. Guess, G-U-E-S-S, guess. Month, M-O-N-T-H, month. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. I, E-Y-E-I. Peace, P-I-E-C-E, peace. Hour, H-O-U-R, hour. Money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Buy, B-U-Y, buy. Half, H-A-L-F, half. Whose, W-H-O-S-E, whose. Toe, T-O-E, toe. Door, D-O-O-R, door. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Busy, B-U-S-Y, busy. Floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. Built, B-U-I-L-T, built. Key, K-E-Y, key. Shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Excellent job. I'm going to try something a little different, and I'm going to try doing writing on our Active Inspire because I've been having some problems writing on our other one. So here we go. Our first word, number 1, is often. O-F-T-E-N, often. Our next word, number 2, toward. And this one's kind of weird. It's toward. So I think of it as to and then ward, W-A-R-D. D, but we say it toward. All right, our next one is number 3 is won, like I won a game. W-O-N, won. And our very last one, number 4, is 1. This kind of one is the number 1, O-N-E. So these words are what we call homophones, 1, 1. They sound the same, but they are spelled differently. Excellent job on your high frequency words today.